We're going to learn how to choose a good domain name, develop intelligent search engine optimization habits, and get you essential Google integrations that will help your website to organically rank higher on a Google search, making it easier for customers to find you and save money on advertising. We'll learn effective marketing tricks to help you acquire new followers, create a logo, standardize the design process, optimize your YouTube channel, and integrate automations. Manage media files like photos, videos, and music efficiently so that it loads up quickly on your web pages. Make your pages have a clean, slick, professional design that's easy to navigate, mobile-friendly, and add password-protected pages to limit who can see certain types of content. Manage accepting payments through mediums like PayPal, Stripe, online store, online bookings, videos, regardless of whether your business is in arts, retail, F&B, fashion, entertainment, freelancer, events, or anything at all.